Hi everybody and welcome back to my channel. How are y'all doing? Hopefully you're doing well. I picked up from Walmart. I actually picked up 3 more, but I'm only gonna show you 1 and then tomorrow I'll film 2 more. So this is called Mr. Dashing. Let me show you. This is quite heavy and that's what's the box. Mr. Dashing, and it has all of that in it. So this is a really good box. Not heavy, so these are all full products. And this box again was $9.88. Let me just put this to the side so I can tell you what is in it. I will also list all the prices down below, so you could tell me, was it worth it? Is it not worth it? Did you get the box? I seen it advertised in some areas cheaper, so maybe you're in one of those towns that it's gonna be like, I think I saw one box for $2 and then another box for $6. Unfortunately, it wasn't like that in my area. They're still $9.88. So, with that being said, let's see what's in here. So it comes with, what does it say? Body wash. So let's, of course, I always struggle to get everything out. Yeah, start working out again. Okay, so the first one is this here. It's called Cremo. Is that not? There we go. Cremo body wash. Oh, I'm so bad at this. Okay, so this is a 16 fluid ounces. It's in a nice container. Let's see what it smells like. I know one of the colognes, it's sealed. One of the colognes that we got, I think it was in a Target box, smells so good. Oh, see? This smells really fresh and clean. Yum. Okay, so does it say what's the smell is in here? No, but it does smell. It smells clean and fresh. It smells really good. I think I'm gonna keep this for myself because this smells good. Okay, so you get one of these 16 fluid ounces of that, and then you get the Cremo. I really gotta start working out again. So you get the Cremo 2-in-1. Batallando. Okay, you get the 2-in-1 shampoo and conditioner. It's there. And this is also 16 ounces. And this is fresh blend. Does it say? Just as a classic. This one says a classic scent of fresh citrus and crisp herbs. Oh, fresh blend. It smells so good. God, it smells good. Let's see what the 2-in-1 shampoo smells like. I think I'm going to keep this one in my extra shower that I have downstairs on the first floor. Oh, this smells, oh, it smells good. This smells clean too. Maybe I'll put this one in our extra shower we have downstairs. So this is a 2-in-1 shampoo. It says cleanses and moisturizers for balanced, manageable hair. Paraben free, softness boosting. So I think this so far is good. And you also get, what is this? This is Wildcat Hair Clay, Johnson's Chop Shop, special import. There's that, and it comes in a tin. And this is 2.46 ounces. It smells what is this? This one smells, doesn't really have a smell to it. What is this for? What is this for? Oh, this is hair clay. Oh, Johnny's Chop Shop. Sorry, I thought it said Johnson. This is Johnny's Chop Shop Wildcat Hair Clay. So I guess it's really smooth it out. I'm gonna try this myself to see if it works when I make my buns, if I get any flyaways. And then you also get, what is this? Cremo Barber Grade High Hold Low Shine Hairstyling. That's what that is. Okay, there we go. And this is also in, this is in glass. No, it's plastic. And what is this? 4 ounces. Oh, this reminds me of shoe polish. But there's no smell to it, but it kind of reminds me of the old school shoe polish. It comes in like in a tin like this. And you buff your shoes. You also get Everyman Jack Volcanic Clay Face Wash with a Shine Control Oil Defense. Right there. There we go, right? Again, so there we go. And this is 5 ounces. No. This doesn't have a smell to it, but it hit me in the nose. Yeah, I don't think it has a smell to it. A lot of the men's stuff really don't. No. No, I don't smell anything on this. So this has no scent. And last but not least, you get a full size 3.8 ounces of Gillette Hydrogel. Now I know my husband doesn't use this, but I might put this in a giveaway because he doesn't like this one. And I don't like gel. So, oh, but it smells good. Oh, it smells real good. It's aloe scented. It smells really good. But I might put this in a giveaway because I don't know if anybody wants that. So that's everything that came in this box. What do you think? Is it worth it? $9.88. You get shampoo and body wash by Cremo. And you get this hairstyling paste. And you get this hair clay. And you get the deodorant. I don't know how much this deodorant costs because my husband uses something else. Oh, why am I so itchy? And then there's this face wash. And everything is full size. So was this box worth it? Yeah, I think it was worth it. If you can get yourself one of these boxes, go for it. Because then you have extra stuff. If you're going to the gym, throw it in your gym or keep it in your car, you know, whatever. Okay, so giveaway time. Quickly, it's just a few things. I'm having a giveaway. I'm gonna have 2 winners or maybe 1 winner depending on the luck of the draw. I'm giving away 2 $25 gift cards. They're gonna be Visa gift cards. And for those of you that are international, what I can do is I can do one of 2 things. If you win and you're international, I can take a picture of the card front and back and email you the information so you can have it right away. Or if you want, I could put it in the mail. The only thing is I'm not responsible once it leaves my hand and goes to the post office. So if it gets lost, I'm no longer responsible for that. And it might take a week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks, depending on where you live. And then I believe not all countries, I don't know if all countries will take it, but we'll figure that out. If you live in the United States, same thing. I can send you an image of the card or get an e-card and email that to you right away so you can have it within minutes. Or if you like, I can throw it in the mail and, you know, it could take from 1 to 2 days to a week to get it. So it's up to you. But there's going to be 2 $25 gift cards. And so you'll have to be a subscriber to the to my YouTube. You'll have to like the video, and both of those have to be public information so I can verify that. Also, to get a second entry, you go to my Instagram page, follow me on Instagram, like the video or picture that I'm going to post that goes with the giveaway, and you'll have to list an emoji, and the emoji is, if your name on YouTube starts with the letter A through E, you'll put a cow emoji, and you also say enter me in the comment section down below. If your name begins with F through J, you'll put a cat emoji, and you'll list that in the comment section down below, not only here but also on Instagram. So cat emoji for F through J, K through O is a penguin emoji, P through T is the dog emoji, and U through Z is the bear emoji. Now if you can't put the emoji, you can put in parentheses the what pertains to your letter. So cow, you put a cow inside parentheses, cat in parentheses, penguin in parentheses, dog in parentheses, and bear in parentheses. But you also comment down below on this video, and you'll also leave enter me in Instagram with the same emoji that you're leaving on YouTube. They have to be the same. I know you'll have different names on both, but I want you to go by the YouTube name. So the YouTube is like number one, the Instagram is like the secondary. So if you don't go to Instagram, you don't get the second entry. But if you want to be entered in the giveaway for the $25 gift card, you'll have to comment down below, like the video, so be a subscriber, and you have to list the emoji that I told you that signifies with your letter. And also the same emoji has to go and transfer over to Instagram. Follow me on Instagram, like the video on Instagram, and I have to be public. I have to be able to see it, and I have to be able to verify. This contest will run through February 22nd at 11:59 p.m. And on Saturday, February 23rd, I will do a live stream to announce the winner and chit chat a little bit, and that's it. Hopefully I got everything. I'll put the information in the description box. The only thing I'm not putting in the description box is the emoji that pertains to your letter. And with that being said, good luck. My battery's about to die out. Hope you enjoyed this short little video. It's short or it's long. And you have a great day. Thank you for being here. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. I really appreciate it, and keep coming back because I have another giveaway in March, which is my birthday month, and it'll be a bigger giveaway. I might even include some of these items here. So again, thank you, and I love all of you for being with me, and hopefully I can reach my next goal, which is 500 subscribers, and then from there 1,000. So with that being said, I love you so much, everybody. Till next time, hasta laters.